On the longest day of the year, when the sun reaches its powerful peak, we gather to honor the radiant light that nurtures all life. This is Litha, a sacred time to awaken our inner flame, welcome abundance, and renew our energy for the second half of the year. Begin by creating a quiet, sacred space where you won't be disturbed. Cleanse the energy with smoke from rosemary, mugwort, or lavender, letting the scent swirl around you like a protective veil. Feel yourself step gently between the worlds, anchored in the now, yet open to the magic of the solstice. Whisper, "I stand between the worlds, in the light of the longest day." Place a single white or gold candle before you, a symbol of the sun's brilliance. Light it with intention, and as the flame flickers to life, say, "I welcome the light of Litha, the fire of the sun. May it fill me with strength, joy, and golden energy." Close your eyes, lift your face toward the sky or toward the candle's glow, and invoke the energy of the sun. Mighty sun, at your zenith, I honor your light. Ignite within me the fire of purpose, creativity, and abundance. Let the warmth settle in your chest, blooming outward like golden rays. Next, take a bowl of fresh water scattered with flower petals. This is your well of life and renewal. Gently dip your fingers into the water and anoint your forehead, your heart, and your solar plexus. As you do, softly speak. With this water of life, I awaken my inner radiance. I am refreshed, renewed, and reborn in the light. Take a small piece of paper and write down one thing you wish to release, something that has weighed you down, and one thing you wish to grow, a dream that longs to bloom. As you focus your intention, burn the paper in a fire-safe dish or cauldron, watching the flame transform your desires into energy. Say aloud, "As the wheel turns, I release the old and welcome the light of new beginnings." Now take a crystal, citrine, sunstone, or clear quartz, and hold it in your hands. Envision the golden sun beaming into the stone, charging it with strength, warmth, and clarity. Whisper, "Carry this spark of solar power with me, a talisman of light and strength." When you feel complete, gently blow out your candle. Offer gratitude to the sun and the spirit of Litha, saying, "The sun begins its gentle descent. I carry its flame within, so mote it be." This is a moment to step fully into your power, radiant, renewed, and aligned with the great turning of the wheel.